So my dad was pulling in the driveway last night and he heard a clunk. And the Swaybar looks kind of weird. Let me just check. Let's just check to see if it looks okay. There we go. That looks all right. This Swaybar looks pretty good. This is Zach and Wyatt, and today we're going to be talking about Whiteline and my dad's Focus RS. So he heard a clunk coming into the driveway last night, I believe it was, and we see a Swaybar and it looks like that. So Whiteline asked me to take it off. Holy shit. It just came out. Holy shit. That's gnarly. Oh my god. That's absolutely insane. Wow. That's nuts. So, Whiteline said that they can either ship it out tomorrow or I could go down to Whiteline in Ontario, which isn't too far, and we could go pick it up. And that sounds like a way I could make a video. And having it shipped doesn't sound like a way to make a video. So we are going to go to Whiteline in Ontario, which is super cool. Hopefully we'll see some cool shit. Maybe get something for this. The Subi. Because all the Subaru parts fit this from every year. So, yeah. I'm going to take the Swaybar off now, and I'll show you all the damage. And I think that's it. We'll see you. So we just got to Whiteline, and we're just gonna go in. We're gonna ask if we can film. There's a cool MR2 here. Let's look at this so we can make Wyatt jealous. Look at that. That's cool. What are those wheels? Just reppies? It's cool. I love the interior. Look at those seats. So cool.
Oh, they're yellow houndstooth.
It's so cool. I love this thing. Ooh, I had a spoiler. It's got original plate.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking of original plate, I got not original plates. It says shitbox in Zach. All right, I guess we're going to go in now. They're going to be replacing the bar, and they're giving me new end links to see, because the other end links were kind of knocky. They didn't really fit properly. And then also, I have my Subaru here, so I got the roll center kit with the tie rods and I'm happy. This is what we got. I got this for myself because I thought it'd be cool. It's a roll center kit for the Legacy. Comes with Whiteline instructions. I'm not gonna use these. I'm sorry, Whiteline. I feel bad because I'm not gonna read the instructions. And then we got a new sway bar and some end links. Should we go back for stickers? I have a bunch of Whiteline stickers. It's fine. I have a bunch of home. Do I have a bunch of home?
Do you have a bunch of home?
Would it be weird if we went back for stickers?
I feel like it'd be like kind of. I mean,
I'm not gonna go back for stickers. I got a bunch of stuff. It's all good. I'm happy. And Hot Wheels. I don't know if you want to see what this is.
Oh, sick.
Sick, dude. Okay, let's go. This is not the end.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Zach and Wyatt, and I am back. And Zach and his dad have put the brand new Whiteline Swaybar on with all the new fancy bits. What else did you put on? You put like end links and stuff on too, or no?
Yeah, just end links.
No? So did you explain already what happened?
Yeah. It broke right here.
I saw the video just snapped right inside there, just clean off. I've never seen that before. That was gnarly.
Yeah. So it's on. No, they're not red locked.
But what is that for? Does that just keep the bushing inside or something?
It keeps the bar from moving left to right. It doesn't really need it. It's just the clearances are kind of iffy.
Which setting did you put it on? Like the hardest
Hard.
one? Nice.
Hard setting.
Cool.
Because this guy's a nut.
Look, it has a heat shield on there for the exhaust, for the link thing.
Yep.
Well, that's cool. Well, I guess that'll do it for the Whiteline video.
I guess so.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hi, Dominic. How you doing?
I was in that video. Wyatt wasn't. So I should be out
I was-
there, but I'm not gonna.
Was I at work?
What?
Was I at work? Oh, yeah, it was during the week, huh?
It was Friday.
Yeah. Well, I guess that'll do it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos of Swaybar crab.
What is how to? There's
I
no
don't know.
how to here.
Well, didn't you show how it went on and stuff?
Not really.
Oh, okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Dad, say bye. Dad. Say bye.
Bye.